Went to the Nature Journal. I have something I'd like to share with you. Getting up and loving my be, have, do path through places and spaces where and when I experience wholeness and wholeheartedness with nature as educator is a day to remember. I'm thinking out loud and I was just playing with some word combinations, and that's what I do often is I grab little word prompts and try and figure out how they come together, what kind of patterns there. And I had getting up and loving was one of the patterns, and nature as educator, and I brought them together by filling in those other words. I encourage you to rewind, listen through, and appreciate your comments. That would be wonderful. Take care.